US Secretary of State Marco Rubio is on a 4-day visit to India, and it's been an eventful one so far. While Rubio started his tour with a visit to Kolkata and the headquarters of Missionaries of Charity (NGO), he subsequently met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi, along with the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. On Sunday, Secretary Rubio also addressed a press conference, raised concerns about visa issuance to Indian immigrants, the US's relationship with Pakistan, and the delay between the two countries in fleshing out the details of a trade agreement. However, it was Secretary Rubio's remarks on racism that have been most widely reported now and have also triggered a controversy of sorts. For Secretary Rubio was caught off guard when an Indian journalist asked him about what he thought about the endorsements of the racist remarks made recently against Indians. Secretary Rubio ended up asking the Indian journalist who he was referring to. When the Indian journalist did not mention any name, he only said that the comments were widely reported and everyone knew whom he was referring to. Secretary Rubio then ended up asking the journalist again who he was referring to. But when he got no clear answer, Secretary Rubio went on to say that people go online these days and make many comments. And while there are stupid people in India as well, there are a lot of stupid people in the US too. He said that there are stupid people across the world, and he could only say that the US is a very welcoming country. But it was a question put up by a media person from the US, after which Secretary Rubio had to come out more clearly on what he meant by his comments. It was early Monday morning when a media person from the US asked Secretary Rubio if he had known that the Indian journalist was in fact referring to US President Donald Trump's endorsement of racist comments against Indians. The journalist further informed Secretary Rubio that the Indian journalist was in fact referring to the US President's repost of a podcast episode where India and China and other nations were referred to as hellholes. It is to be noted that that repost by Donald Trump had also elicited a response from the India's Ministry of External Affairs, which had termed the remarks as inappropriate and ill-informed. To this, Secretary Rubio simply said that while he had given a chance to the Indian journalist to come out clearly on whom he was referring to, the journalist did not name anyone. And he thought that he was possibly referring to social media trolls, which could even be bots that are not human. And there are a lot of people who make racist comments against people online these days. He further said that as far as the US President is concerned, Trump loves India and he is a big fan of Prime Minister Modi, as he had mentioned to his ambassador to India, Sergio Gore. Secretary Rubio was referring here to a conversation between the US Ambassador to India, Sergio Gore, and the US President Donald Trump, which was broadcasted live during an event here in New Delhi late Sunday night. It was during the event that Gore called up the US President and spoke to him while putting his phone on the speaker mode, and it was then that the US President had mentioned that he loves India and the two countries have never been closer ever before. He further went on to say that he loved the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and that he is a big fan of the Prime Minister too. So with that clarity of thought sort of clearing the air after the controversy, it remains to be seen if that does translate into some change of thought within the topmost echelons of the US administration when it comes to making public remarks about Indians or racism in general. This is Shikha Salaria from New Delhi, reporting for India Abroad.